Like, oh,
I'm sure not.
what's the wind? What's the wind? What's the wind? Come on.
That's why I put my sunglasses on, because they're all tighter. So that's why I put my sunglasses on, because they're tighter.
Where's the girls? Where's the girls? Oh, they're over there. Let's go over there and get the girls.
Where?
There, there.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, you can say me. What do I do?
Who's going to get it?
That's actually nice. I thought you had to oh bollocks. I forgot the word for them.
Oh, I couldn't find the floor.
The head thingy.
Have a quick go. Let's have a quick go and then have them back. Can you stand?
Kind of again.
Are you holding your nose? Yeah. Because if she puts your nose thing on, I might pull her nose ring out. Yeah, because the water keeps pushing us to try and do auto exposure. It's still going to through, even though it doesn't make any difference.